With the new Shipyaari panel, shipping is going to be seamless like never before. How? With our revolutionary features such as magic address like we discussed before and product inbox catalog. Let's explore the product catalog feature first. To use that feature, navigate to the product catalog section under catalogs in the menu. In this section, you will see all your products along with your channel integrations under the single product tab. If you wish to add a product, click on add product and enter all your product details such as product name, select the category, enter the SKU number, its dimensions, weight, volumetric weight, product cost and product tags if any, and click on save. Moving on to the combo product. In this section, you can create combos of your products that popularly sell together. To add a combo, click on Add Combo. Select the products you want to add to the combo. Click on Next and enter all the combo details such as combo name, volumetric weight, dead weight and applied weight and click on Save.